Okay, finally made it to McCloud, and there's 3 falls. So when we get there, I will show you. Yeah. Okay, hiking to the next falls. Look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness. That's a big tree.
Let's go. Oh, baby. It's weird.
So you can see it through the trees. We'll get closer. But there is the Middle Falls. We are approaching the second falls. This is so exciting. How beautiful is this? Oh. Nice. Okay, and then here is the second waterfall from at the very top. And we're gonna go find the third waterfall. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, here is the third waterfall. Second one seems to be the most majestic, but this is the last one. It's pretty.